Hey guys, let's talk about the Ring Doorbell Chime reset. As you can see here, the LED shows blue, which means it's working fine. But sometimes you just have the green one or it's blinking and you need to reset. There is a button just right here, okay? So you just need to press a button and hold like for 15 seconds or until you see the LED flashing white. It takes a while. So after flashing white, it's okay to go. There we go. It flashes for some time. And now it's back to the original state. So you can just use your app again and start the process to add the doorbell, the chime to your video doorbell, okay? I hope that helps. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.